Hey, welcome again once to West Coast Ammo. We're going to show you how to put the ambidextrous bolt catch release in your Juggernaut lower receiver. Here are the components that you will receive with your lower receiver. These are the components that will be in your lower parts kit. What we're going ahead and do is we're going to put the ambi catch into the lower receiver, starting with the spring. There's a little hole here. Drop it in. So your spring sits there. You're going to put your ambi catch, sandwich the spring in between your lower receiver and the ambidextrous release. Flip it up. You have a threaded pin, threaded end up. You're going to put it inside. Take your Allen key, turn the threaded pin in until it stops. Check for movement. Works as designed. Now what we're going to do is flip it over and put our bolt catch in on the opposite side. Starting with the components that come with your lower receiver, a non-threaded pin. You will drop this in. Spring goes in on top of it. Your detent, bolt catch, threaded pin, and the other threaded pin goes in to retain the bolt catch and all the components underneath of it. Again with your Allen wrench, turn it in, threaded pin until it stops. Check, do a function check. So what we'll do is push on the bolt catch on this side, put our finger over here, and see if I can push it down, and it works as designed. And once again, thank you. That's it.